Okay, fine. Now we will study about the mass and weight. This is a gravitation chapter of class 9 standard. Fine. What is mass? See, if we will see here, mass of the object. Suppose if I am in moon, on earth, or anywhere, my mass will always remain the same. But gravitation due to gravity, acceleration due to gravity, that is small g. Small g is different in everywhere. सब जगह different होता है. Whether I am on earth, if I measure my weight on the equator, okay, that time also my weight is different. If I go to my poles, that time also my weight is different. So small g
Yes.
is different everywhere around my earth. So my weight is also what different everywhere. Whether I will go on earth or I will go on moon or I will go on my space, my weight is totally different. That's why it said that mass is a what is a scalar quantity, but your weight is a vector quantity. Why weight is a vector quantity? Because with every position, everywhere, every place, my weight is different. Just like you can see it here also, that on earth my weight is suppose 98 newton, then my at moon it will be 16 newton, because gravitation due to gravity on my earth is 9.8 and then on moon is 116 the times of the earth. That's why my weight is different. Whereas in space there is no gravitational due to acceleration due to gravity.
Acceleration.
Small g is nowhere in space, but capital G is everywhere. Capital G is what? Gravitational constant. Gravitational constant is
Yes.
everywhere on my space. Okay. But this G value is not in the space. Gravitation due to acceleration is nowhere in the space. Because of that reason, my weight will be what? My zero. Okay,
Yes.
because of that reason, mass is what? Scalar quantity and weight is a vector quantity. What is vector quantity? Which shows a direction as well as value, which is known as magnitude. So here my mass is what? Scalar quantity, because it has only the magnitude, no direction. Because of that reason, everywhere my mass is what? Fixed. The magnitude of my mass is what? 10 kg. But
Yes.
weight is what? Magnitude as well as the value. Magnitude means value. 10 kg is my value. So this is my magnitude. So magnitude and direction. Direction shows us what? Earth has a different weight. Moon has a different weight. Space has a different weight. Like that. Mass of a rigid body is regular everywhere in the universe. Everywhere you can see mass is what is same, but weight is what different. The weight of the
Different.
rigid body alters from a place to place and inclines zero at the center of the earth. Why? Because of my equator. Okay, because of that reason my weight is what? That time it inclines to be as a zero. Mass can be resulted by the traditional balance, but weight is defined as my what? Spring balance. Okay, now
Okay.
suppose is a weighing machine if I am taking, that is what? My traditional balance. That's why we are saying that my mass is 10 kg. If I'm saying my mass is 20 kg, my weight is 20 kg, the weight include what? Half part is your mass, half part is your gravitation. Because of
Gravitation.
that reason, suppose if you are measuring your weight at home, your weight is 30 kg. But if you go to the clinic or some other place, your weight will be different. It doesn't mean that you have increased your weight. It is because of the change of the place. Because every place, my weight is little bit of different, as well as about the machine also. Okay. Every machine has a different
Okay.
weight. Now, the main mass is recorded as the unit is the kg as well as weight is Newton. Mass can never be zero, but your weight can be zero, depends upon the gravity. Okay, mass does not change based on location, but weight can be changed because of the gravity. The mass is measured as what ordinary weighing scale, and weight is measured by the spring balance.